My name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. Oh, I am so happy to see you here. Thank you for watching this video. On this channel, you can learn English through simple stories and conversations. You can improve your speaking, listening, and everyday English. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Subscribing helps us make more videos for you. Thank you so much. Today's story is about going to the vegetable market with my mother. We will talk, ask questions, learn new words, and listen to conversations. So keep watching until the end, Hi.
Good morning. It is a sunny day. I am in my room. I am getting ready. Today, I am going to the vegetable market with my mom.
Lucy, are you ready?
Yes, Mom. I am almost ready.
We need to buy vegetables for the week cow.
Oh,
We need tomatoes, potatoes, onions, carrots, and many more things.
that sounds nice. I like buying fresh vegetables.
Good. Finish getting ready and come to the kitchen.
Okay, Mom. I will be there in 2 minutes. Mom, what vegetables do we need?
Can you tell me again? Sure. We need tomatoes for salad and sandwiches. We need potatoes for curry. We need onions for everything. And we need carrots for soup.
And what about cucumbers? I like cucumbers.
Yes, cucumbers too. We can buy cucumbers for salad. Great.
Are we walking or taking the bus? We are walking. The market is not far.
Okay.
I like walking. It feels good and healthy.
Lucy, do you have your bag?
Yes, I have my small bag.
And do you have some money?
Yes, Mom. I have some money.
Yes, I have money too. Don't worry.
Okay, let's go. Lock the door, please.
Sure. One moment. Okay, the door is locked.
Mom, I like walking with you. I can talk and learn new things on the way.
Yes, Lucy. Walking is a great time to talk. So tell me, what is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrot. Carrots are crunchy and sweet.
And what vegetable do you dislike?
I don't like bitter gourd. It tastes very bitter.
I understand. Many people don't like it. But it is very healthy.
Yes, that's true. Mom, how far is the market from here?
10 minutes. Not too far. Just walk straight.
About time. Wow, the market is busy today. Many people are shopping.
Yes, mornings are always busy. People buy vegetables and fruits for their families.
I can see many colorful vegetables.
Yes, the market looks beautiful with all these colors.
I can smell fresh tomatoes and herbs.
Yes, the smell of fresh vegetables is nice.
Good morning. fresh tomatoes today. Would you like some?
Good morning.
Yes, please.
How much for 1 kilogram?
1 kilogram is 200 rupees.
Okay. Give me 1 kilogram, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Lucy, smell the tomatoes. They are fresh.
Wow, yes, they smell fresh and juicy.
Tomatoes are good for salad.
Mom, I want to pay this time.
Sure, go ahead.
Here is the money, sir.
Thank you.
Now we need potatoes. Let's go over there.
Hello. How much are the potatoes?
Hello. Potatoes are 150 rupees per kilogram.
How many kilograms should we buy?
Maybe 2 kilograms? We need them for curry and fries. Good idea. Yes, 2 kilograms, please.
Here, 2 kilograms.
Thank you.
Lucy, put them in our bag.
Sure, Mom.
Now onions. We need onions every day.
Yes, onions are in almost every dish.
Onions are 250 per kilogram today.
Okay, give me 1 kilogram of onions.
Anything else?
Yes, garlic too. Half kilogram of garlic, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Mom, the prices are high today.
Yes, Lucy. Sometimes vegetable prices go up.
Sometimes they go down. It depends on the season. What is season?
Season means the time of the year. Some vegetables grow in summer. Some grow in winter. That is why prices change.
Oh, I understand now. Lucy, your favorite? Carrots.
Fresh carrots. Very fresh carrots.
Hello, sir. Can we buy 1 kilogram of carrots?
Sure. Here you go.
And cucumbers, please. 1 kilogram.
Sure. Here.
Thank you. Mom, look at the carrots. So orange and shiny.
Yes, they look very healthy.
We also need spinach.
Fresh spinach. 2 bundles for 100.
Okay, give me 2 bundles.
Mom, can we buy coriander leaves?
Yes, coriander adds flavor. We can buy some.
Here, fresh coriander.
Thank you.
We have almost everything. Do we need anything else?
Maybe fruits? Can we buy bananas? Yes, bananas are healthy. Let's get some bananas and apples. Great. I love apples.
What fruits do you like the most?
I like apples, bananas, and mangoes. Mangoes are my favorite. Yes.
Mango season is wonderful.
Hello. How much for bananas?
1 dozen for 200.
Okay, 1 dozen, please. Anything else?
Apples, please. 1 kilogram.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Mom, the bags are heavy.
Yes, but we are almost done. Let's go home now.
Mom, I enjoyed going to the market with you.
Oh?
I learned vegetable names, prices, seasons, and how to talk to vendors.
Good. Learning is fun when we do things together.
Yes, and I practiced English too.
Very good, Lucy.
Thank you for taking me to the market, Mom.
Anytime.
And thank you, everyone, for watching this long lesson and story. I hope you enjoyed learning English with me today.
Please take care of your health, eat fresh vegetables, and stay happy.